Ever wonder how much taxes in total you pay? Of course, we all realize the taxes we pay when we buy something at the store and pay the GST. But think about your income taxes, your property taxes, those sales taxes, the payroll taxes you pay, alcohol taxes, gas taxes. Man, when you add it all up, it's a substantial amount of money. At the Fraser Institute, that's exactly what we help you do. If you think about all those taxes, and here's a thought exercise, if you had to pay all of those taxes up front before you spent money on anything else, before you spent money on your mortgage, before you spent money on food, before you spent money on entertainment, if you had to pay those taxes to federal governments, provincial governments, municipal governments, how much would that be? Well, at the Fraser Institute, we calculate Tax Freedom Day. And if you had to pay your taxes up front, you would work every single day from January 1st right up until the end of day, June 8th, to pay all those taxes, which means on June 9th, which is today, it's Tax Freedom Day. You've earned enough money to pay all of the taxes imposed on you by Canadian governments. Now, you might ask, well, why are we doing that? Why are we giving Canadians a sense of their total tax bill? I think it's really important for Canadians to know how much taxes they pay in total. And if you think about that date, June 9th, as a percentage, it works out to 43.5%. So 43.5% of all your income is being sent to the government. Now, of course, you get stuff in return for that. And are you getting value for money? Well, that's a really important question. And how do you know if you're getting value for money if you don't know how much you're paying? So now you know 43.5% of your taxes, or sorry, 43.5% of your income is going to taxes. And now you can start thinking through whether or not you get value for money. So are you getting value for money in healthcare? Are you getting value for money in education? Are you getting value in money in terms of infrastructure and the roads we drive on? That's an important calculation, of course. But in order to do it, you need to know how much you're paying. And that's the benefit of Tax Freedom Day.